Thank you. Hey, we'll throw it at the pile, dude. What happened? The claw is stuck in my foot.
I'm sorry, I'm laughing, man.
No, dude, I'm laughing too. But I got so much adrenaline. When I got to the hospital, they took me back for x-rays. The doctor said I can't magnafish for 30 days. I'll take that into consideration. Let's go, baby. First day back. It's gonna take some getting used to, but we're gonna keep magnafishing.
It was made into a movie soundtrack.
I'm going to solve the 17 by 17 by 17. Look at this. Last move. And I did it. Wow, finally.
Half a percent of the world's population lives in Oceania, making it the least populated continent, and New Zealand at 4 lives in 2020. And even though the region hosts some rather large nations like Venezuela at 28 million, Peru at 32, it's close to half of the region's population at 212 million, making it the 6th most populous nation in the world. Most of them living close to the southern border with the United States, who has over 330 million inhabitants, the largest nation on the American continent and the 3rd largest nation in the world. The largest nations in Western and Southern Europe is Germany at 83 million, the United Kingdom at 67, France at 65, Italy at 60 and Spain at 46. Mostly home to the Namib Desert, being one of the least densely populated nations in the world. Pakistan, with its 220 million inhabitants, is the 5th largest in the world. India is on a path of becoming the most populous nation in the world, and 1.3 billion people live in the country today. All fade in comparison with the largest nation in the region, Indonesia. At 273 million, the island nation is the 4th largest in the world. We'll finish off with the largest nation in the world. 1.4 billion people live in mainland China, over 18% of the total population of the world.